live direct, taste the soul. Brought to you by my mailbox. Shout out to my girl Tracy. Tracy's in the building. I'm about to get Tracy to cha-cha with me for just 30 seconds. Tracy, I need you for 30 seconds. You better not tell me your grown ass don't know how to cha-cha. We not playing. I see Sean is in the building. Sean got that. He got that grown man swag. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. DJ Don Dada. Let's go.